and Mason break your faces, but Christopher Plummer will never hurt you. Christopher Plummer cares for each and every individual little puppy. Isn't that right, Remus? We want to go because everybody knows, even Remus, that I'm very responsible and reliable. And I'll treat everybody with respect and care. Number 2, I love meeting new people. I like to give handshakes, and I'm very outgoing. And 3, I live in casual day t-shirts and shorts. I want to get out there and get dressy, because Remus knows